Welcome to A Day in My Life as a Teacher Pictorial Edition. So yearly, meron kaming pictorial because yun yung ginagamit sa yearbook. The kilay was cleaned by Sir B-Boy and it was drawn by Gwen, and my entire makeup was done by Janine. That's me taking the photo. So I will not talk. Let's just appreciate my existence. Wow, existence. These are my co-teachers. Ang pretty nila, no? Also, handsome din yung iba. Hindi lang nakita sa video. Some students are here to assist Olivia Riley. She was crowned as the Miss Teen International Philippines 2026 and about to represent our Philippines in India this August. Here are other teachers. And yung iba naman na teachers, ito yun sila yung mga nag-organize ng pictorial. Of course, after individual pictorial, by group naman, by subject area. And then after that, pinalis namin si JJ kasi we're going to take a photo for the International Women and Girls Day in Science. It is a celebration that science is not just for male but also for women and girls because it used to be male dominated na area. But now, we've got a lot of women and girls in this field of expertise. A big shout out to Sir Ched for editing this photo. We truly love this one. And this is us going back to Macario Catalina Hall. Pa-pretty lang kasi tapos ng pictorial. Thank you for watching, guys. That's all for today's vlog. See you next time.